Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy step on how to change your email on Candy Crush Soda Saga. So in order to change your email on Candy Crush Soda Saga, open up your Soda Saga application. Once you end up on this page, after logging into your account, in order to change your email on Candy Crush Soda Saga, make sure that you are logged in with your King account. Once you're logged in, tap on the profile button on this page. Now, click on the edit button right under your email and your name. You'll then need to type in your current King account's password. Go ahead and do it right now and tap on submit. After you end up in this edit account settings page, go ahead and change your email to something else in the first text box. Erase the current email and type in the new one you are trying to update to. After you are done typing in the new email, tap on submit. You'll then be able to change your email right away. Now, whenever you're trying to log in with your King account, you'll need to type in this particular email that you just changed to. And that is how you should be able to change your email on Candy Crush Soda Saga. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you soon in another tutorial video. Goodbye till then.